In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Acer laptop. So if you want to go in, remove everything from your laptop and reset it back to its original settings, then the first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on System, and then scroll down and click on Recovery. Click on Reset PC next to Recovery Options. Choose whether to keep your files or to remove everything. So if you want to keep your personal data on your computer, you can basically do a kind of soft reset where it will keep all of your files, but go in, remove all of your applications and settings. But if you just want a blank start and you want to go in, remove everything, then click on Remove Everything. Select how you want to reinstall Windows. I'd recommend starting with a cloud download, and as long as you have an internet connection, this is usually the best option. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can always select local reinstall, but for this video, I'm just going to click on cloud download. Now, as you can see, this will remove everything on your computer, including all of your personal files. It's basically going to download and reinstall Windows to your Acer laptop. So if you're happy to do this, go and press next, and then you'll need to wait around 30 minutes while this process carries out. Once it's finished, your computer is going to reset just like it was when you first purchased it out of the box. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.